Good morning, it's me, Crazy Rebecca, Dances with Pitbulls, with my puppies and my creepy babies. I have to work again today, don't normally, but things are going on and I gotta work, so I thought, well, I have got to play in my journals before I go, because I am getting so depressed and stressed out, and that just ain't me. So anyways, I want to put a couple things in my brother's book. So I thought about, should I put these so they go like that? And let me tell you something about these cards. Okay, I didn't know where they came from. Come on, you. Cards issued with all Brook Bond tea and tea bags. So they came with tea. Yeah, I could have used washi tape there, but kind of digging this clear tape. Had to put my sister's monkey picture in with it. So, ta-da! I like it a lot. And did I have those? Where are the Mr. Harvards? I just had them. I see them. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Mr. Harvard has found Cthulhu. And down a little bit. So our IT guy at work, he works remotely. He moved to Kansas City to help with his father. He's kind of like he resembles my boss in that he doesn't know a lot about movies. So you can't like throw out random movie quotes at him because he has like no clue. And get this, he's an IT guy, right? He can't read typos. You have to correct the typo so he understands what you mean. I just find that hilarious. I don't know if it's my years in chat or whatever, but I am fluent in typos. But what brought this all up, because I was just thinking about it. There was a movie called Who Stole My Car or something like that. And they go up to a Chinese restaurant and the lady inside keeps saying, the drive-through, she keeps saying, and then, and Ashton Kutcher's like, no more then. So Andy was trying to tell me remotely how to do things, and I would say, and then, and he's like, what? And I'd say, and then. Anyway, just pardon me, I'm just rambling. Speaking of ramble, I got the bass line to Ramble On stuck in my head from Led Zeppelin. Just thought you needed to know that. Okay, I gotta let that dry because wet glue. But that was a start. Okay, two pictures and two little pictures, a postcard or a iCat and another picture. Okay. I promised Kitty I would cut the cats out. And my sister has informed me that Halloween is not her favorite holiday. Excuse me. She just likes creepy stuff. That Christmas is her favorite holiday, and I don't do Christmas either, so if Christmassy things get sent to me, they ain't staying. There, kitty. Kitty, kitty. Okay. I saved the cats. Okay, let's grab the bird journal if we can find it. Can't find the bird journal, but here is the moon journal, and it looks like I have some stuff. Okay, I do. And where did I put those snarky things? Because, okay. Remember a long time ago, a galaxy far, far away. Oh, that goes there, right? Okay. This guy. Now I have another one. See, because this, I don't get it. Was this a cutout? Did you cut that out? It is too perfect. That's so weird, because I got that on the interwebs. Words cannot express how much I just don't care. But I need to cut. Perfect. Perfect. These are flying squirrels. Sexy Freddy. I hate when I do that. Okay. Because, yeah, I guess it's that way. It's too shiny, definitely too shiny. But I like it there. Okay. Oh, from Julie. She says, Moon Journal, question mark? Yes. Yes, indeed. I love it. Things that happen once in a blue moon. Okay, can we trim it? Oh, I know what I was... Remember, okay. Somewhere... There it is. Okay, because I wanted this part of it. Okay. And then, so you know when people tell me they don't understand or they don't, whatever, it just makes me worse. So now I'll be throwing movie quotes at Andy all the time and he'll be like, what? He did understand the Forrest Gump. He said, I think I saw that in the theater. Well, this just turned out spiffy. I'll set it upright to dry. Like so. Like, let's push that down. Did any of these go? Is that Mark Spitz? It is. No moon stuff. What is this guy doing? Oh. That goes in Mr. Harvard stuff. Okay. So this will set up somewhere in this mess. I just found two more things when I... Okay. It's okay. Let's do this. should have done that. It's okay. Man, you cannot tear against the grain. That's annoying. Look it. Beautiful. Okay, now how are we going to do this? Can we fold it? Okay, I have one idea. See, I can do like... It's still a little big. I can take this side off. Like so. Like so. I've got to find that bird book. Right there in front of me. Okay. This is the stuff from Julie. Lady. Okay, she can go there. Just to cover up that blue. The crippled bird. No. Oh, I know why I did that. It goes this way. And this way. Okay, so I have a little extra room there if I ever need it. I'm going to put that there. Or, okay, wait. Reconsider. I like this side better. Okay, now I gotta let that dry. Okay. My bad. How about if I sprinkle some stuff on it? Not a moon. Not a moon. Ugh. Or, oh my gosh. There's glitter. Oh, and string and all kinds of ugly stuff. Okay. I did not think that out. But I want that glitter, dang it. glitter's not, it's not cooperating. Okay, gotta let that dry. Phew. Made that harder than it needed to be. Okay. Or I can't, so I want a contrast. Okay. Where did I put? Forgot she was in there. My bird's centered, I don't know why. Is that all I got left there? My precision cutting. I can see something wrong. One crippled bird. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. So okay, I like him there. Okay. Eventually, I get it right. Okay, got 2 left. Mix it up a little. I don't want them on that page. I want them on this side. Yes. Is there anything about birds? I'll have to look later. One blue feather. Okay, set this one up. I'm about out of time. Well, I'm just gonna set it here. We'll leave this here. Okay, I'm glad we got to play a little bit. Please subscribe. I need friends. Saturday night, and we're going to work in the Faux Family album, and I got to thinking I better put my children in there, and I got the perfect thing for my children. So it'll be my children, my grandchildren. You'll be surprised, not surprised. Surprised, not surprised. So anyway, I love you, and I'm glad we got to do this, and let's do it again sometime.